So I've been lacking a little motivation this morning. And then it occurred to me I left it somewhere. Pickles thinks, hi Pickles. Pickles thinks I left it down here by the stream. Can you hear the water? Listen. Ah, Pickles the therapy dog. He found the issue. So we'll listen to the water for a second. Nice, right? So the other thing that I did is I started a campfire. You guys want to see the campfire? Let's go over there and look now. Oh, here we go. I seem to do better with a campfire myself. Okay, listen carefully. Can you hear it? Wish you could smell it too. You know, campfires smell wonderful. It helps, doesn't it? That's nice. All right, there's your virtual visit to Black Pond Farm today.